What's happening, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited in deep cherry red crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2 liter Pentastar V6 Engine under the hood. Come to the front here, you'll have your Projector Style LED Headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with that unique Jeep grille on the hood, letting everybody know that this is no ordinary vehicle. This is a Jeep. You have two fog lamps on your front bumper. You have dots on your front bumper, which are your front ParkSense parking sensors. You have LED running lights with your turn signal up top there. Come to the side here, the Cherokee is running on 18-inch Continental Pro Contact mud and snow tires. There's plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction on alloy rims. And you have roof racks on the top of the Cherokee. So if you want to haul things on top of it, you can easily do so. Color matching door handles on the outside on all four doors. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors are color matching and they are breakaway. And they have built-in LED turn signal lights, and they are heated mirrors, so you can heat them up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. You do have blind spot radar on both sides. So if you're driving and you try to change lanes and someone's in your blind spot, there's a triangle right there that will light up and warn you that there's someone in your blind spot. You do have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle. The Cherokee will sense the fob is near, and that will unlock the doors for you. And you can always press that black button to lock up the Cherokee when you're done with it. Here's your door panel. You have storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. You have driver's seat presets, and you can save up to 2 presets. And by the push of a button, the seat will adjust to your settings, so each driver can be totally comfortable inside this vehicle. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support. You have leather seating throughout. Nice Jeep badges on the front seats. Adjustable seatbelt height on the front seats. And you have adjustable headrests. You have the Panoramic Sunroof up above. Tilt steering wheel as well. You have your automatic headlamps here, so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switches. And this button there will open up your power liftgate. You have a directional air vent, which you can close and open. Come back here. Nice Cherokee badge on the door there. Take a look at the back seat here. Storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm, power window switch. This still has the window sticker, which is really cool. Lots of footroom in the back seat area. Tons of headroom. Adjustable headrests in the back too. Fold down armrest with 2 cup holders in the middle. Reading lamps there, which is also your interior lighting. Directional air vents, which you can close and open. Pocket on the back of the driver's seat. There's a handle up here where you can pull, and that allows you to fold down the seats. It's a 60-40 rear split setup, and you got hooks on the back seats. So if you want to put a child seat back here, you can easily do so. Or you could use it on the hang-up bags. Push it back up, and it locks back into place for you. You have airbags built into the front seats for safety. You have pillar side airbags, and you even have airbags built into the back seats as well. Good way to tell is if you see this SRS airbag tag anywhere, that means there's an airbag and you are protected. Let's move on to the back here. Cherokee has LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips out the back. Those dots on your rear bumper are your rear ParkSense parking sensors. You have a rear window wiper. Your backup camera is right there. There's a button underneath here, just press it. And that will open up your power liftgate. I never get tired of watching that. You have lots of space back here for many different things. Convenience lights, hooks on the side here, so you can hang up bags if you want to. There's a handle here, lift this up. Lots more storage space. And lift this up, you have your spare tire underneath. You can put an umbrella in here if you want to. And if you ever need to put a license plate on the front of the Cherokee, you have a license plate holder there which you can mount yourself. That's if you ever need it. 12-volt DC power outlet on the left side here. And press this button right here. You'll hear a few beeps, and your power liftgate will come down right before your eyes. Excellent. You have mud flats behind all 4 tires. Come to the other side here. This is where you put gasoline inside the Jeep Cherokee. You have storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm, power window switch. Again, lots of footroom. on both sides, there's actually two ways to fold down the seats. So you have the handle up here, but you also have a flap down here which you can pull, and I'll also flip it down. There's your hook. Push it back up, and it locks back into place. You can unlock all the doors using the front passenger door handle as well, just by putting your hand around a door handle like this, and you can always press that black button to lock up the Cherokee when you're done with it. Storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm, power locks, power window switch. You have your directional air vent here, which you can close and open. Your lower glove box here with a convenience light, and lots of goodies in there for you. And you can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents in there that you don't want people to get at. Pocket on the side of the middle console right there. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. I think it's about time we hop inside and take a closer look at this Cherokee. So let's go and take a look. All right, now I'm sitting inside the driver's seat of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited, and here is your key fob. You have an unlock button, lock button, remote start, panic button, and you can open up your power liftgate. This is your proximity key fob. You can keep this in your pocket, or you can put this down below here in this large storage area. Put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the right and press the push button start button. That fires up the Cherokee for you. The tachometer, the speedometer, the large LCD screen in the middle, it all looks very good. And if tire pressures are low, the Jeep Cherokee will tell you what they're at and what you need to inflate them to on all four tires. Now that is very handy to have. This Cherokee only has 10,191 kilometers on it. So come down to Crosstown Dodge today and see if this is going to be your next everyday driver. And using buttons on the left side of your steering wheel right here, we can go through our driver information center screen. And yes, the first thing that shows up is your tire pressures. You also have your coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, battery voltage, and back to your tire pressures. You have your driver assist area. You have your fuel economy, let you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Feel free to reset that whenever you want by holding the OK button. You have two trick computers that tells you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time you've been driving for. Feel free to reset both of those whenever you want. You have your stop-start system area. Audio center here lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case your Jeep Cherokee wants to tell you something. Screen setup here so you can customize the screen and make it more of your own. You have a compass in the top right corner, outside thermometer top left corner, some blank spaces. Go in the settings right here and set up the screen and have it say what you want it to say. You have a digital speedometer which can change to miles per hour if you're going to the States, and if you open any door on the Jeep Cherokee, it will let you know which door on the vehicle is open. And back to your vehicle info right there. Your leather wrapped steering wheel feels great in your hands. You have your cruise control on the right, and below you have your adaptive cruise control, which you can turn on and off, and you can adjust settings for that right there. And behind the steering wheel, you have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. You have Bluetooth controls right here. You can answer and hang up on calls, and you have voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancelled.
Using your voice, you can change on what you want to listen to between iPod, USB, Bluetooth, etc. You have your directional air vents in the middle here, which you can close and open, close and open. You have your automatic transmission down here. Throw the Cherokee into reverse. A backup camera appears on your touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if you turn the wheels, it will guide you to where you're going to go. And that also shows up your front and rear ParkSense sensors on the screen here. And if you get close to an object, front or behind you, it'll let you know how close you're getting to an object. The closer you do get to an object, it'll show up on the screen here, and you'll hear audible beeps. And as they get louder, that means you're getting close to an object. And you also have ParkSense rear braking assist. You also have your manual shift mode there as well. Electronic parking brake. You have two cup holders in the middle. Nice leather padding for your arm. Lift this up. You have a cell phone holder right here. And if you have cords coming out of here, you can run them along the sides here, so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower. You have a large storage compartment down below with a USB port and a 12-volt DC power outlet and a change holder and cutouts there. Great spot for some pens right there. You have your physical controls for your dual climate control right here with the auto feature, which allows the Cherokee to adjust your climate control for you. Driver temperature, passenger temperature, front defrost, rear window defroster, air conditioning, recirculate button, tuning knob, browse button, back button to help you guide through your system. You can turn off your auto start stop system if you don't want it on. Press it again, it comes back on. Traction control, you can turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch with your finger, it comes back on. And this is your volume knob and your mute button. You can adjust your fan speed just by turning this knob right here, and you can turn it off. You have forward collision warning, which you can turn off and on right here, and I'll let you know on your screen if you did turn it off. You have LaneSense, which you can also turn off there and turn back on. You have your hazards. You can turn off your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors by pressing that button right there. And you also have active ParkSense. This Jeep Cherokee will park itself, and you can change settings between perpendicular parking or parallel parking. Now that is futuristic. And here is your touchscreen Uconnect system with AM/FM radio and Sirius XM. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. You have your seek buttons here. You adjust your audio, balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode, auxiliary volume offset. You have your presets up above. Hold it with your finger, and you can easily set a preset. And you can favorite your favorite songs or artists that come on Sirius XM. You have access to a mini map there, connected to your GPS navigation system. Tells you what temperatures are set at for both dual climate control there. Tells you the time, outside temperature. You have a compass there on whether your heated seats or your heated steering wheel is turned on. Media button here, so if you have anything connected through Bluetooth, something in the SD card port, the USB ports, the auxiliary port, go here and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Down here is your USB port, your auxiliary port, and your SD card port, and you also have a 12-volt DC power outlet there as well. Controls here for your driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel, your mirror dimmer, and you have settings there too. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff you have. Touchscreen controls for your dual climate control. You can adjust where you want the air to go with just your finger. Adjust your fan speed. You can sync and unsync the temperatures. Set the temperature with just your finger like this. Access your heated seats and ventilated seats. GPS navigation area here. View the map. It shows you exactly where you are. You can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Put an address. It'll show you how to get to where you want to go. Search up points of interest. You can put in your home address and it'll take you home. So much you can do with GPS navigation. And you have your Bluetooth area here. Would I like to pair a phone? That's okay. I'll let you connect the phone and make hands-free calls. Everything you would do on your phone, make a call, you do hands-free on a touchscreen Uconnect system here. You can pair more than one device, view recent calls, view your phone book, and so much more. And you have a large storage compartment here, fold down sun visor with a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway. Programmable garage door opener there, so you can pair that with your garage at home, and you can open it up by using the buttons there. Handle here for the driver. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror. You have a sunglasses holder right here. Push button ring lamps that are also just handy to have. And buttons here for your panoramic sunroof. You have a cover which you can open and close. And you can also open up your sunroof just like that. It'll let in lots of fresh air and sunlight for your enjoyment. And if you press the other button once, it easily closes back up for you right before your eyes. Passenger sun visor also comes down. It has a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway. Handle there for the passenger up front. The seats are very comfortable to sit in. There are lots of storage spaces throughout the interior. There's lots of technology. Be sure to come check out this Jeep Cherokee sometime soon. There are LED lights built into the bottom of the mirrors that are useful at nighttime, and they'll light up the ground before you so you can see where you're walking. It's the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited in deep cherry red crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2-liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. Come book a test drive today at Crosstown Dodge. I'm David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.